What is going on, guys? Financial Dan here, bringing you a video on Elrond. We're going to talk about EGLD. It's been an exciting time in the crypto market here lately, so this is a project that hasn't been brought up too much, so I thought I would cover it. So I did a video on this previously. This is just a bit of an update. Once again, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, but let's take a look what we got here. It's pretty interesting. So market cap right now, we're into the top 50 with Elrond, at number 47, sitting right around 2.8 billion with a price of $140. If you remember, when I covered them last time, they were $60 in this video here. And I actually talked about, it was 58.50, how this could be the last chance to buy at this price, and was predicting it to go up around 140 to 160 if Bitcoin made a move upwards. And damn, I'm a little proud of myself. I mean, I think it was a good prediction. So if you want to see more stuff like this, where I look through technicals and find predictions on certain coins that can pan out to really pay you out, this went from 58. Right now we're at 140. It was at 160 recently. A little bit of a pullback now just because it moved up so quick, but that's over 100%. So it's pretty awesome. I'm wishing I even put more in. I talked here about averaging in to be safe, so I did average into this position, and I'm up on it a good bit right now. So looking here at the price chart on where it's at right now at 140, that market cap of 2.8 billion. Just to give you an idea on size, I was looking at other companies and businesses that are worth 2.8 billion, and kind of funny to me, I'm a soccer player, or football, whatever you call it, and Manchester United, that whole club is about 3 billion is what I saw when I did some research. So you could buy all of Manchester United, the stadium and everything, and the business and all that, or you could have EGLD. I think I know which one's got better future potential. I'm not a Man U fan. Anyway, so right now we're sitting at 138. We've had this little bit of a pullback just because we shot up here so quick. I'm really interested in seeing that we just went from this red candle to this green candle. That's a good sign, because this line right here, you can see we hit it as some resistance, and then it took us a little while before we busted through it, and kind of peaked out here before dropping back down. And this line right here, this 140 level, basically, we almost bounced off it here as a little bit of support in a way before it crashed through that support, and it's been kind of touched through on support on a couple of these wicks too, and as resistance over here. So it's been a common value for EGLD to bounce up and down past. So I'm happy to see that it's maybe turning in this resistance right here that it busted through. I'm hoping it turns it into a new level of support. I think if we see Bitcoin kind of come back up a little bit from its big pump and start to hold maybe in the 50s, that would be, or even the high 40s, I think we will see Elrond hold this 140 level. So there could be a little bit of stagnation here. Now, once again, if more adoption, whatnot, and Bitcoin pumps up and gets closer up to its all-time highs, the same thing will happen, I believe, with Elrond. It'll get back close to its all-time highs if Bitcoin gets past them. And we can see here, its all-time highs were all the way up at $230, and we're at 130 right now. So that's a pretty great ROI. Now, what is Elrond doing? I mean, they're very active on their Twitter account. They're posting here every day, and they got some neat stuff in here. So if you take a look, one of their most recent ones here is Chain Boost, powered by Chain Guardians, will enable gamified IDOs and NFT offerings on Elrond. We all know how hot NFTs are, and I think they're going to keep getting hotter. I think more people are going to be finding out about them. The Google Trend search on them is looking pretty exponential. Chain Boost sounds like a really interesting platform that I want to do a little more research into. If you take a look here on the article on what really Chain Boost is, is a decentralized launch platform. Its community and team believe in the disruptive potential of NFTs, gamification, and DeFi within the technological and financial industries. As such, this protocol is designed to enable the most promising projects a platform to propel their products and kickstart their ideas. It is powered by Chain Guardians. The blockchain meets superheroes gaming ecosystem, which combines traditional gaming concepts with blockchain technologies. I think that's awesome. If there's some projects on here, some smart folks come up with some great ideas and they get voted in through here and kickstarted on that platform, that's going to be awesome. And just, I totally agree. NFTs, gamification, and DeFi is going to be huge in the future, undoubtedly. And just starting from the ground up with platforms to fund these good projects is what it's all about. So that's cool. That's great news. Every day, basically, they've been on this mission 10. They've got different updates that they've got going on for Elrond and interesting information about it, milestones, etc., goals that they've set and they're hitting. Benjamin Minsu, their CEO, is very active, and it's great. I suggest following them so that you can kind of keep up to date with everything they got going on. The other article they had in their Twitter that was talking about the Internet Revenue Service, Black Hat Network. So how like on Upwork and Fiverr, you can basically use that internet program or that website, as a intermedium to get paid. They're the escrow service in a certain sense, and they charge fees and they have cost. They have a website to run them, blah, 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 I guess, but they take a piece of the pie. The Black Hat Network is all about providing more for freelancers, really, who are doing the work and not having as much of that fee taken out. Just how, smart contracts are all about taking out the third party, the middleman. That's what this is all about right here. This Black Hat Network. Future is now. Looks to be like a pretty sweet network, all launching on the Elrond blockchain. Another article we got here. This is just Elrond's website, actually. They've done some updates on here, too. They've got a couple of these things. They've got a staking calculator. You can see the yearly is 21%. I have the MyR app, and I do have EGLD stake on it, and it is great every day to go in there and claim rewards. Right now, the most I could claim would get me a cheap coffee, but every day, hey, takes care of me on my way to work. But anyway, this has just been a quick update on EGLD. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope that has a lot of information, get you stoked on it, get you pumped, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more crypto news, and soon to be covering more other financial areas, passive income, etc. So please subscribe if you're interested in money. All right, guys, peace out.